Caliber, a leading integrated quality management platform solutions provider with a remarkable 20+ years legacy of transforming the ways of working in quality management for pharmaceutical industry, is always looking forward to define a new tomorrow, a transformation that will reshape the pharmaceutical industry for the next 2 decades. Let us hear from the visionary leaders.
It's been an exhilarating journey of over 2 decades working with pharmaceutical industry globally. There are no two thoughts about how important is health and well-being. We have been fortunate to be part of this exciting journey and help the industry grow with innovative solutions. We have been at the forefront, setting global standards, pushing boundaries in the lab, manufacturing and quality management. Our vision is to be part of building affordable healthcare to the world through our reliable solutions to assure patient safety.
At Caliber, our mission is crystal clear to empower the industry not just for today but for the future. Our products have been the silent force behind 250 plus customers worldwide, ensuring that high quality, safe and sustainable products reach the market faster. We are not just building the future, we are equipping the industry with path-breaking and holistic solutions. Here is the North Star graph, crafted by our team with expertise in both technology and pharmaceutical domain. This works as your compass on the journey towards the future, whether it involves tech adoption, process transformation, or the development of people capabilities. Let us hear from our product excellence leaders as how our innovative solutions will revolutionize the industry in the times to come.
Our vision at Caliber is to simplify quality management for industry professionals while we manage the complex operations behind the scenes with advanced technology. Our dedication to quality leads us to deliver highly integrated quality events management, document management, learning management through our enterprise platform for integrated quality, also known as EPIC. We are redefining quality with EPIC. It is the future of integrated quality management system where excellence and compliance seamlessly coexist. The newly introduced EPIC SaaS version is set to make quality processes more flexible and agile for the industry. We are not only ensuring the well-being of our end customers, the consumers and the patients, but we are also setting an industry standard.
Within the manufacturing automation vertical, our goal is to simultaneously capture the critical process parameters during manufacturing operations while simplifying the setup and enhancing the experience for shop floor operators. Our focus is on making it easier to comply to the established processes and regulatory standards. Our manufacturing suite comprises of Caliber BRM, which incorporates advanced features such as interlocked electronic logs, uniquely designed punches and dies, user-friendly process instructions, and efficient exception review process. Our goal is to optimize processes, expedite the production of high-quality drugs, all while maintaining strict regulatory compliance. By harnessing the cutting-edge technologies of artificial intelligence, IoT, and big data analytics, we are not only making pharma process smarter, but also establishing new benchmarks and shaping the future of manufacturing.
Our Caliber LIMS is a proven product for over 2 decades. With this flagship product of ours, we are committed to eliminate every piece of paper from the labs while ensuring compliance. More than a decade ago, we implemented India's first 100% paperless laboratory by integrating instruments right from pH meter to complex CDS systems, which was a significant advancement for the industry as a whole. We take pride in being globally the first to achieve SAP certification. More than 70% of Caliber LIMS solutions are seamlessly integrated with SAP and other ERP systems. Our journey continues towards advanced instrument integration, predictive analytics, and AI-driven decision making. We are making laboratories more agile, cost-effective, and future-ready. Looking ahead, we carved out a focused product, EM Pro, for environmental monitoring. This environmental monitoring, EM Pro, along with our LIMS, have emerged as an industry-leading solutions.
With the introduction of quality metrics guidelines by FDA, the industry is swiftly adopting quality self-governance. Data is far more than just facts and statistics. It's the very currency that fuels the future. Our groundbreaking tool for data analytics, designed on the principle of our unique Q pyramid, is not just a tool. It's a paradigm shift that empowers the industry to navigate the complex terrain of quality management. At its foundation lie the data sources including LIMS, QMS, BRM, ERPs, while its pinnacle showcases the metrics essential for decision makers. With Q pyramid and continuous verification, Caliber is at the forefront of reshaping how data is harnessed towards advanced predictive analysis and generative AI.
True transformation comes from the power of integration. While process integration is our strength, thinking ahead is our nature. We are not here to just provide some point solutions for quality excellence, but we are here to lead the industry towards the North Star, where precision and compliance are the norm.